Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF viewer on Wix using the Doc Viewer app, so you can professionally display your portfolios, software manuals, or technical market analysis guides directly on your site in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Wix app market. The first step is finding the specialized software that handles document rendering. While Wix has built-in tools, the Doc Viewer app from the app market offers more advanced studio-level features for high-end professional sites. Log in to your Wix editor. On the left-hand sidebar, click the app market icon. It looks like a small grid of squares. In the search bar at the top, type in Doc Viewer and hit Enter. In 2026, the Doc Viewer app is the gold standard for displaying large files. It's a candid and reliable way to ensure your technical video scripts or PDFs load instantly without the viewer needing to leave your page. Next, add Doc Viewer to your site. Once you find the app, you need to install it onto your specific page so it can start serving your documents. Find the Wix FileShare or PDF Viewer app by Wix or a highly rated third-party doc viewer. Click the blue Add to Site button. A new placeholder box will appear on your canvas. Drag and drop it into the section where you want your viewers to see the content. Installing the app connects your site's back end to a dedicated document server. This ensures that even heavy, amateur-quality PDFs are compressed and delivered in a professional, high-speed studio format. Next, upload your PDF to the app settings. Now you need to tell the Doc Viewer which file to display. This is where your actual technical content gets linked to the site. Click on the Doc Viewer element and select the Settings button. In the Main tab, click Add File or Change File. This will open your Media Manager. Upload your PDF from your PC and open it. In 2026, the Doc Viewer supports multiple formats, but PDF is the most professional for market analysis and tutorials. Once the file is uploaded, the app will automatically generate a high-resolution preview for your audience. And that's pretty much it. To add a PDF viewer in 2026, head to the app market, search for Doc Viewer, and click Add to Site. Open the settings to upload your PDF from the Media Manager, then customize the layout and download permissions to fit your brand. Finally, optimize the viewer for mobile view, hit Publish, and your professional content is ready for the world. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.